Welcome, Scorpio, to your monthly horoscope reading. Today we are talking about the main topic of change and what is the change that has to happen in your life. So, Scorpio, your first card that comes out is stop fighting about the small things in life and start focusing on the bigger picture of your life with the Five of Swords. Focus rather your energy on a constructive manner instead of a destructive manner. Second card as the Nine of Swords in reverse. Stop struggling with the small things and focus your energy on a constructive way. This is you navigating yourself through minefields, but you know exactly where each and every single minefield is. Nothing comes to you as a surprise because you are prepared. You're mentally and physically prepared for the obstacles that is heading your way or is already in your way and in your destination's path towards your destination. The Queen of Cups. Sit and focus. Focus your energy, focus your goals. Make your goals be in line with what you truly deserve and what you truly need in your life. Like I said, stop focusing on that small nitty-gritty shitty stuff and focus more on what is most important to you, in particular when it comes to your stability and being stable in a world that is full of instability and uncertainty. The Three of Wands in the reverse. I feel this has to do with look more inwards than instead of outwards. Look more at yourself in a different point of view rather than focusing on what you think is in front of you. What you see isn't always the reality, but when we face reality, we see everything for exactly as it is without those rose colored glasses and without those those challenges that we place on our own paths, that small rocks that land in our shoes and make it uncomfortable for us to walk. Then the Wheel of Fortune in the reverse. I feel there's potential. There's potential for you to invest your constructive behavior in better places, but at the end of the day, I feel that it's easier for you to fall back into your old habits and bad habits in this case, and then that can cause a lot of distrust in your own space and in your own capabilities and in yourself. The one person that you will always have to be able to trust is yourself and yourself alone. So do not break this trust. Do not mistrust yourself. Listen really closely to what you need and what you want in your life. Okay, some shadow work for you, Scorpio. Ten of Wands reverse, the Chariot reverse, the Eight of Cups reverse, King of Wands in reverse, and then the Magician. Okay, so in connection, the Ten of Wands in connection of the Five of Swords. If you keep on bickering about the small nitty-gritty shits of your life, then you will always carry it with you. Your past will never stay in a past. It will be part of your present and the now. But at the end of the day, I feel you will choose the path towards enlightenment and being light and feeling light. This path leads to complete control and trust and believing in yourself. Then with the Queen of Cups being paired with the Eight of Cups, I feel this is walking away. Just walk away. If they come after you, then that's their problem, not yours. If you choose to walk away, if you choose to be the better person, the bigger person in the situation, and they follow you to continue all of this, it's on them, whatever happens to them then. Then the King of Wands in reverse is, again, do not fall back into old habits and bad habits, and do not allow these people to manipulate you into being the person that you don't want to be, because the person that you want to be is the person that you are going to be. You are thinking of yourself as the Wheel of Fortune, anything is possible, but it's still a little foggy. There's still a little bit of mist behind it all, but beyond this mist comes in the form of the magician. Once you know your own capabilities, your skill set, and everything that is going for you, life feels much easier in this case. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and as always, have a wonderful and a blessed